Unlocking the power of Kundalini.
Don't make these mistakes.
What mistakes? What is Kundalini?
Kundalini is a powerful divine force. You must follow proper guidance and a trained guru for you to awaken it safely.
Snake-like force?
No, it has nothing to do with snake. It is often referred as a coiled serpent residing at the base of our spine. When it is awakened safely, it raises up the Sushumna Nadi, the central spine, and helps us in spiritual growth and enlightenment.
Fascinating. What are the common mistakes people make when they awaken their Kundalini?
It is a gentle process to awaken the Kundalini. You must remain calm and peaceful throughout the process.
Not jumping up and down?
Oh no, not at all.
How does the Kundalini feel?
It feels like a gentle pulsation, like as if an ant crawling without disturbing you, like a breeze touching. It is a tingling sensation. It is a very beautiful pulsation.
Oh, what about the other senses?
No other senses. No light, no images, no sound, no smell, no taste. Only the pressure, tingling sensation.
How to awaken it safely then?
Our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi simplified the Kundalini awakening process. The Sky Master will touch your base of spine and awaken your Kundalini gently up the spine and bring it to your Ajna Chakra. It is a beautiful process.
Can't we awaken it without a guru?
I recommend that you follow a trained Sky Yoga master. Do not try to attempt your Kundalini by yourself. It can lead to various complications and dangers. But with the guidance of a guru, you can safely awaken it. Why take the risk?
What about mantra for awakening?
Mantra might work, but it could take several years.
Is it dangerous to chant mantras to awaken Kundalini?
It is sometimes dangerous to awaken the Kundalini through mantra chanting or any other such processes. What do you do after Kundalini awakens? Your energy will increase beyond your control, and that could lead to various complications.
What about complications? What complications?
Physical illness, mental illness, head spinning, headache, and various other complications like even madness and perhaps even leading to death.
Oh my goodness! How do we prevent this?
There is good news. Learn Shanti meditation and you can prevent all these side effects and complications.
What is Shanti meditation?
Good question. Shanti initiation is given by our Sky Yoga master in a Sky Yoga center. The master will touch your Ajna Chakra in between the eyebrows and bring your life force back to the spine, helping you to transform your spiritual high intensity energy into physical biomagnetic energy, which increases your battery capacity, keeps your Kundalini safe and simple for you to control.
Is Shanti meditation so important?
Never ignore it. Shanti is the most important part of Kundalini meditation. Learn it, practice it regularly, never ignore it.
Thank you so much, Master, for sharing your thoughts about Kundalini awakening. Is there anything else you would like to add?
Yeah, I would like to add that Kundalini awakening helps you to cleanse your sin imprints, your genetic center. Therefore, deliverance from sins, salvation is easily possible through Kundalini Yoga. With this, you can attain self-realization and salvation. Be blessed by the Divine.
Thank you, Master. Be blessed by the Divine. Thank you all for joining us in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And let's learn together, awaken your Kundalini and achieve salvation and perfection. Be blessed by the Divine.